So this is the Marino salter. I've just cleaned this up because we've just been actually cooking it for an event coming up. I've got our own catering business. We use this one for our kind of treats, cakes, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, it comes with 3 attachments. It's got this one, it's got the one for the dough, and you've got your whisk one here as well. In terms of the bowl, it is 5 litres, and you just twist it to pull it out. You'll see here. Just pop this back down, and yes, I did clean it with the label still on because I can't get the label off, that's the only thing. However, otherwise than that, in terms of, let me show you this. There we go. So at the bottom you've got suction pads. So the good thing about this, it's not as heavy as the KitchenAid. So that basically means that you can actually move it about pretty easy and not break your back. In terms of the functionality, right? So let me see if you can see this. You have your 6 dials, so that's your speed. So it won't turn on when it's down like this or up like this. And this is to enable the head. So if I push this up slightly and push this button in, it comes down like that. And you'll see that's it on. In terms of attaching the heads, you push it down and then it lifts up. So I'm going to just put it on this one because I never use it. It's got, you'll see 2 pins, by the way, 2 prongs just on here. All you do is don't be scared to get a bit heavy handed, push it up, turn. Job's a good one. There's no spring loaded with this like the KitchenAid ones, so it's super simple to set up. And the other thing as well is if you are doing like digestive bases or anything that's messy, put this on. Super convenient. But all you do now is if you then want to put in your ingredients, press up, press the button here, down, and then you've got 6 speeds. So in terms of noise, bog standard. These things will always be quite noisy given the power they have to go through them to knead the dough or whatever you're trying to do with this. Super simple to clean as well. It's got a nice matte finish on the the surface I would call it, I suppose. But I'm really happy with it. We use it very often for, as I said, kind of our brownies, our cakes and all these kind of things, and it works a treat. So as you can see, I'm going to lift it up. There you go. Nice, good size, 5 litre base. I definitely recommend. Works a treat.